we need to handle errors in our index method too. So let's write our test for the index method. Open up our index.cest file, and we can add a new test in here. By the way, pubf is a live template that you can take advantage of in PHP Storm. Very good one. We can name this test. It will return 404 when no records are found. Remember to add API tester and the I variable. In this, we don't need anything else. We just need action. And we do I send get. And we're going to go to the URL or the endpoint, just post. And we do actually need an assert, obviously. And we need to do I see response code is 404. Cool. So that's fine. The test looks good. So let's go to our controller. So let's just find our index method. Cool. There it is. So I bet you already know what we're going to do. And that is create a try block, paste everything in there, create a catch block, and we're going to catch the exception. And don't forget your backslash. And we're going to take advantage of the new method we just created in the previous video, which is called create error response. And we're just going to give it the exception. And I'll just copy and paste it there. Cool. Now, when the ORM doesn't find anything in the database, we can do post isEmpty and throw an exception. So throw new exception, and we are going to add the backslash. And what could be a good message? So maybe there are no records available. Now let's make it there are no records found. And 404 as the code. Cool, so that looks good. Now actually there's a red line, that's just because I forgot the closing parentheses. And let's just run our new test. And once again, sorry, this is the first time I'm running the test suite in Vagrant, so it has to connect. Next time I'm going to make sure I either skip ahead or just make sure I run the test first. Cool, so that has passed, and that's good news. And now we can run our entire API test suite. But since it's taking some time, I'm just going to skip ahead. Cool, so we're all good.